These are the Ready for Cold Weather questions. You should only be doing this after you have either read the Ready for Cold Weather text or listened to the Ready for Cold Weather text. Question 1. Based on what you read in the text, do hedgehogs live in Florida? Here you will write yes or no. Number 2. Why or why not? Use a complete sentence to answer. So you should start your sentence with something like, yes, hedgehogs live in Florida because the text says, and what it says. Or, no, hedgehogs do not live in Florida because the text says, and what the text says. That proves your answer. Number 3, what is the main topic of this text? And number 4, write a sentence from the text that proves your answer to number 3. So here you will write an answer that is a sentence from the text that proves this is the main topic, whatever you wrote here.